Chuck Crosby. Crosby Law Office says Tony's been renting a home for the past 4 years. He says the owner just called him to let him know the house is going into foreclosure. He needs to pack up and get out. He's wondering, is that even possible? He's got a lease that goes for another 4 months.
That is not how that works. Absolutely not. If he's going into foreclosure, i.e., it has not yet started or it just started, he's got, I can't, the quickest foreclosure I've seen in Kentucky, and it's about 9 months. Mm-hmm. The average is going to take a year and a half. So that lease doesn't go away just because you go into foreclosure. Now, if the foreclosure is completed, property is sold at the courthouse steps, and we have a new owner, well, there's federal regulations also that come into play here. I think it's like you have to give them a notice, and it has to give like 90 days to get out. I know I've gotten folks out of houses that have been foreclosed on before. Sometimes the guy doing the foreclosure will bring the tenants in and let them say, "Hey, guys, keep me in mind," so that it's not a surprise if the property sells at the courthouse steps. But the quick answer is absolutely not. That is not how that works. That lease stays in effect until such time as the court says otherwise.